Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, on the follow up on the Aussie earlier, where we were stop out with a plus 1 pip. All right, and I already re-entered at the same level, 7 to about 55, and my stop is 7 to 45. So that is a 10 pip stop. Of course, the first step towards becoming a successful trader is to control our risk. Okay, so we only have a 10 stops there, and this is day trading, so it's fast. May not be suited for if you're new. Try to learn swing trading first, and then later on, as you become accustomed to the market behavior, you can go into day trading. All right, so this is one of the most difficult style to accomplish. It's like running a sprint. It's difficult, so I don't advise you to do this first. But okay, so I want you to understand the market phases, market structure and everything, the swings and everything before you delve into this. But in this video, I just want to share with you where we can re-enter if it warrants our condition, and I'm confident about this trade is because the fixed income market is already pricing in more than 50% of a rate hike by RBA sometime next year. So that's why I have the courage to re-enter. Okay, so in this day trade setup, and you can turn it to swing trade as well. See, that's the trick. You have to let your profit run. So in this instant, I already shared in the videos how it closed above the downtrend line here, right? So I'm not gonna repeat on that. Okay, so now on a 1 hour, so this is the 3 time frames setup, the usual 3 time frames. Some people use 1 hour, 15 minutes and 5 minutes, or 1 hour, 30 minutes and 5 minutes. It's really up to your personal preference, but I'm sharing you here then a typical setup for day trading, which is 4 hour, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so on the 1 hour we can see rising trend line, uptrend line. All right, and here retest, so that's a new low, new low there, a swing low there on the 1 hour. All right, and it's already on the 15 minutes, right? So this is 1 day, so it's already breakout to this resistance, right? So it break out on this trend line. Okay, this is a 15-minute trend line. Okay, so and then so if you draw a trend line there on the 15-minute, you'll see that trend line just now we saw on a 1 hour. Okay, all right, so we expect if price, so this trend, we expect this trend line to hold, so that's why we have the stop losses below the daily pivot. So since this is day trading, anytime it tests the daily pivot, I probably gonna have to open the stop. Sometime usually in day trading we open the stop. It's always on the watch, so it's already usually a 1 session kind of trade. You don't intend, unless it has a possibility to grow into a swing trading. So in this instant, I saw that possibility for it to grow into a swing trading because of a new fundamental that kicks in. So in this 1 hour, okay, you see a swing there, right? Okay, let me just change that. So yeah, it's a lot easier, and you can see here also something like the typical head and shoulder chart pattern, right? So that's a point to consider as well. So now if you put the Fibonacci there, okay, so ideally you can place a buy stop here if you want to be on the safe side, but I'm also a trend line trader, so I use trend line to make my decision. So I already have a 10 pip risk there, and I really look forward for the for price to hit this level for today. Okay, for the today. Why? Because in a day, this is another thing that you have to know, which is the trading range. In a day, Aussie make about 75 pips, and estimates. In a week, it make about 150, 160 pip. So you got to know there is this indicator called average true range, so you can plug that in. So you have to know the trading range for the week, whether it has been fulfilled or not. So in this instant, we see that for the day it usually is about 70 pips, right? So you go to your 15 minutes chart, and you can measure that there from that low is already up to there. 69.70. So 72.95 would be a perfect exit for a day trade, and you make one two you make a 2 rewards for 1 risk. So that's a nice day trade. On the other hand, if you want to let the profit run, you can let it go to that point. So possibly later, if it did here, you exit, and then probably it dive here again. If it dives there, don't try to chase the market, let it come to you. If you miss it, you miss it. There will be another trade, another day, and hit this level. So that's how you try to earn a living as a trader, swing trader or day trader. It doesn't really matter. It's just your style. Day trading is fast. It's not really for me. Okay, I'm audio. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope that helps you to try to understand the market. It will be a long journey, and I wish you well. Hopefully we stay in touch, and have a great day. Goodbye.